This is our first grade homework practice, 11-2. We're subtracting tens using a hundreds chart. So it says another look. You can use a 100 chart to subtract tens. So 50 minus 30 equals, well, we know that 30 is 3 tens. So 50 minus 30 is 20. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this here. 50 minus 30, 10, 20, 30, puts us at 20. So we're going to use the partial hundreds chart. This is just part of an actual hundreds chart. A normal hundreds chart goes from 0 to 100. This one just goes from 41 to 80. So let's take a look at it. We have 80 minus 30. So I can start at 80 and I can subtract 30. 10, 20, 30. Puts me at 50. And again, we can check it. 8 minus 3 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay? 70 minus 10. So if I start here at 70 and subtract 10, 70 minus 10 puts me at 60. And again, I can check this in my tens place. 7 minus 1 is 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay? 80 minus 20. I've got 80 minus 10. 20 puts me at 60 using the hundreds chart, and then I can check it. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay? And 60 minus 10. 60 minus 10, I just go up one row, puts me at 50. And again, I can check it. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay? Let's go ahead and go to the back page. Again, we've got our number chart here. They gave us a full one all the way down to 100. We're going to go through and check it. We have 20 minus 10 equals 10. And again, you can check it. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 90 minus 30. I've got 90 minus 30. 10, 20, 30 puts me at 60. And again, I can check it. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Okay, let's take a look at our 80 minus 30. I'm at 80. I need to subtract 30. 10, 20, 30 puts me at 50. And 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, 80 minus 40. Here's my 80. Minus 10, 20, 30, 40 puts us at 40. And again, I'm going to check it. 8 minus 4 equals 4. We're doing great. Okay, 60 minus 40. 60 minus 40, 10, 20, 30, 40 puts me at 20. And then I'm going to double check it just so my finger didn't slip up. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 70 minus 20. Here's 70 minus 10 minus 20 puts me at 50. And again, just to double check, 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, now we have 80 minus 80. Now take a look at this. If I have 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Uh-oh, I ran out. But I know above it is going to be zeros. Because look at our pattern. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. See, all the numbers in the ones are all the same. Those are all 9s in the ones, all 8s in the ones, all 7s in the ones. So we're just grouping it by groups of 10. So 80 minus 80 is 0. And I know that 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay? All right, 20 minus 10. Here's 20 minus 10 is 10. And again, I'm going to check it. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, 80 minus 50, 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 puts me at 30. And I'm going to check it. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, and 90 minus 20. If I'm here at 90, and I'm going to subtract 20, 10, 20, it puts me at 70. And then I'm just going to double check again. 9 groups of 10 minus 2 groups of 10 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay? Higher order thinking. How can you use a hundreds chart to solve 90 minus 80? Solve the problem, then explain how you got your answer. So I have 90. I'm going to subtract 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That puts me at 10. And I can say I counted backwards by tens. And we went just straight up the column. Okay? And our Common Core assessment, again, when we see this, we know it. We're going to have questions just like this on the test. So I want you to do this one on your own. You can pause the video and then come back and check it. Mrs. Roden has 30 spelling tests to grade in all. She has graded 10 of them already. How many spelling tests does she have left to grade? So we know she had 30 total, minus 10 she already did, equals something. So 30 minus 10 equals something. You can use your hundreds chart, or you can just subtract it by groups. You could even go 10, 20, 30 minus 10 equals, and if you're subtracting one group of 10, we know we've got 2 groups of 10 left. 2 groups of 10 is 20. Or you can go 3 minus 1 equals 2. All right, great job, everybody.